Anyways, here we have the air conditioner in the room we're staying in the final resort we're staying in it's in the last resort that we're staying in our vacation in the Philippines. So anyways, this room unfortunately does not have a ceiling fan. So yeah, but it's got this. Anyways, apparently the air conditioner is branded Honeywell because the thermostat is Honeywell, but I'm not exactly sure about that. So I'm gonna take a good look at the vent and hopefully you can see inside it. I'm gonna bring this chair over so I can see clearly. Trying to get the coils into you, but apparently that's not really possible. Anyways, I adjusted these vents several times. When we came here, these louvers were all butting down, which was not ideal because then the airflow would be too direct and they'll get a cold draft in the room. And then, therefore, I made them all point upwards. But then there was a cold draft at the bed. So I decided to make some point up and some point down, as you can see right there. So that there's a bit of to try and get the most even airflow possible. I even tried making these point marked ones here, but then I had to face the bed and that wouldn't be ideal. I just wanted to cool the room, but I didn't want the cold draft. Then I would want the breeze from a ceiling fan, but I wouldn't really want the breeze from an air conditioner, which is like 10 degrees lower than the temperature in the room. So yeah. Anyways, let's turn it on. Right now we're going to set to 24 and a low fan. I'm gonna cycle for the speeds of it. Another thing I really hate about this is this. I think it's a bit of an exaggeration, like if you open the door, there's this little switch that turns off the air conditioner, which I think is not ideal because even though it could save energy, but the thing is, sometimes you would want to air out your room but still have the air conditioner on. I mean, if you really wanted to save on power, then install a ceiling fan so you could turn the thermostat down. Turn the thermostat to a higher temperature a bit. So anyways, this is low. Here's their turn vent, by the way. Their turn vent is right there. Anyways, let's turn it to medium. Good breeze. And high. I still haven't found a condenser unit for this. It could be central, but I'm not sure because the thermostat can actually clicks, which tells me that it's not really central, and that you can actually have a fan on its own. Apparently, at least that's what I think. Yeah, but it seems that they can actually have a fan only, which tells me that it's not central. Actually, I'm not sure. It could be mistaken. Oh, oops. I guess this is just old. Apparently it is central. One more time. I'll do it after the video, but anyways, let's turn it off and here it's been down. Anyways, let's turn it back on. Anyways, there you have it. Thank you for watching.